we are going to learn about program number 5, that is to print the ASCII value of a character. So regarding this, we are going to read one character input from the keyboard and from the user, and then we are going to find out the ASCII value of the same character, and we are going to print it back on the screen. So regarding this, you create a file, that is ASCII.c, and then you start including the documentation part. So for this, use a documentation, the single line comment entry using /, and then you just type the documentation prompt. This program to print ASCII value of the character. So the next part is you have to include the header file. So we are going to include stdio.h to perform key input output operations, and the next is you can start including the main function and then define the main function. So the main function, the first part is you need a character variable, so of type character. So you have to declare it as char and name the variable as C1. And the next part is you have to ask the user to enter a character from the keyboard. So enter a character. And so this input you can read it with the help of the scanf statement. So the first part of the scanf statement is the specifier. So for character variable, the specifier is %c. The second part is you have to mention the address of the character variable, that is C1. And now you can do conversion of ASCII value of this character. So and at the same time we are going to print the result in a single printf statement itself, finding the ASCII value and display the ASCII value in the same printf line itself, printf statement itself. We are going to do it. So for that, the ASCII value of the character is like that. We are going to display back to the user. ASCII value of the character is, and it is going to be an integer, so of type D, %d you have to mention, and for the particular character, that is C1. So here comes the conversion will take place. The character will be converted. The ASCII value is going to be an integer value for the corresponding character. If you press A, the corresponding ASCII value will be returned in integer value. So that is why this %d specifier you are using. So that's all about this program, and you can save this with the help of the command WQ !, then compile the program using cc filename.c. If there is no error, you can go for executing the output /a.out, and it is asking for a character. For example, if I press capital A, it is saying the ASCII value of capital A is 65. And once again, if you want to run the same program for some other input or character, so ASCII value of small a, it is 97. So this is how the ASCII value of a particular character you can read, and finding its corresponding ASCII value with the help of mentioning its specifier alone, integer specifier. With the help of it, you can able to get the ASCII value.